Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps crashing on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to CapCut. Then you will find here app info and you can click on first stop. You can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.